One of the questions that I'm constantly asked about is how I make my dimples on my knot. And we know how important it is to have a strong, sophisticated dimple and a strong, sophisticated knot. Let's see how I do it. For this video today I'm using our Poncia from our 30.000 collection, a beautiful 155 centimeters long tie and a 8.6 centimeters width on the blade. Very important, the waistband of your trousers will dictate the length of the tie after you've knotted it. In other words, make sure that the blade of your tie always lands on the waistband of your trousers. In this first attempt, I make a deadly mistake, which many men make, which is making the knot that they know, regardless of the points that we've just made. In the second attempt, I am going to adapt the knot to the waistband of my trousers. So I'm going to make a Cavendish knot, which I will be covering in the next videos. And this is where the magic happens. As you can see, I'm pushing my finger in while I'm pulling the blade down, while I keep hold of the tail nice and tense, while I keep repeating the same movement. Once you've made your knot and you're happy with it, keep touching it up, keep adjusting it to your collar until you're very happy with it. It's very important that you nail it to the very details. And this is how you knot a tie to perfection with style, individuality and attention to details. Ciao a tutti, stayed up.